heading of this web page is the simple form that we're going to create is a student registration form. So we won't add all the details, we'll just put a couple in just to give you an idea of how to use it, how to add a form. So first of all, you click inside here, then insert, form, simply hit form. So there you go, inside this is your form. So click here, we'll name the form, down here is form name, student, just name the form student details. Okay, so that's the name of this form. So inside here now you want to, this is where the information will be left, will be edited and saved, so you can manipulate the form and change the form. So just add the details. So first of all, we just enter simply please enter form details, and then we want to enter a text box first. So again, insert form text field label. So we'll call the first one first name. Okay, and the next one last name. And the next one we have student ID, and then finally we'll just put in something different, not a font, not a text field. We put in let me see, a list menu. Okay, and we call that subject. Okay, so now we need to, well, first of all we need to list the values for subject because it's a drop-down button. So we'll just type in a couple of names here, a couple of labels. So software design Flash. These can be anything that you enter here. This is just to show an example. So these are just some example values to enter in, so that a student might want to attend for subject. Okay, so there you go, enter that. Right, so again, save that. So file, well, save, then preview in Internet Explorer. And there you go, you'll have your drop-down menu. So here you go, so you can pick any of these. So enter details here. My name. Whatever it is. But like that's no good, you need a submit form. That form will go nowhere. So what you need is just close this off. Enter, and then go insert form again, and then just go button. We'll call the first button submit. Okay, we'll add another button here. So insert form button, and we'll call this one reset. So reset the values if you entered incorrect values. Okay, so if you click on the button, you'll see down here it says action submit form. But this one is a reset button, so if you click this, and the action changes, so it's a reset button. So there you go. There's two sample buttons. So we save that again. So Control S, and then go back out again one more time. Again on Firefox. So say I entered details here, and I don't like them. You just press the reset button, and those details will disappear. So close that off. Well, next thing you need to know is the form. Where does the form go to? You know, we have a form set up and ready to go, but we've got nowhere to send it. So we need to have another page. So if we go File, New, HTML file, yeah, Create. So now we have it up here. It says unentitled to. So that's the name of this file. So we file, we save this. save as, in the same place we have your index file saved. And we'll call this student details. Okay. We want the same sort of layout as this, so we can go back to this page anyways and go Control A, just take everything, go in here and Control V. So Control A. So this is your new page here, so student registration form. So this form this page won't need a form. All it needs is, say, a bit of feedback. So as I said, this page just needs a bit of text. We just click inside and then just type in "thank you." So just a simple "thank you for registering your details." There you go. So this is where the form wants to go. So this was saved as, right, so saved as student details. So go back to your index page. Click here. So click on the form. Yeah, and then goes action. So this is where you're sending the form. So send the form to student details. So you click on this button to open up this select file. You select student details file and you OK. So let's see how this runs. So we'll save this. So Control S and then preview it in Internet Explorer. So this is your page. So enter my name is Conor, last name, McDaid, student ID, whatever it may be, and then say database. But I don't like those details, so I can reset them. Put in James, McDaid, student ID, whatever, and I'm just teaching. So I submit this form, and the form is now submitted and going in here. What you will notice is that, this is a simple form. There's no error checking done. So here, if you didn't enter a thing, if you didn't enter a detail, it will still go. You can do error checking that will stop that from happening, and you can do error checking to make this only a number. Here I can enter just text, but you can enter only numbers. So they're the sort of error checking things that you can do. That's how to create a simple form. So hopefully that helped.